Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make someone an administrator in a Telegram group or Telegram channel. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notifications to stay updated. These are the kind of videos I post, content that you would like, how to enable nightlight on your windows, how to reset and undo display settings, everything on how to, I post about them. Now let's get over to the how to add an admin on your Telegram. Now I created a group before now. In my recent video, I showed how to create a Telegram group. This is the group I created before. I'm going to use this group. So what are we going to do? You click on the tab, click on it, and click on this three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you click on manage the group. You click on manage group. Here you can also add the description of your group, change group name, group type, chat history for members, anything you want to do. But here we're going to check on how to give someone an admin role. Now an administrator, this guy, we want to add him as an administrator now, so he's a member of the group. Now change group info. These are the permissions we want him to have: ban users, invite users via link, pin messages, manage list, manage video chats. These are the, in case we want to remove any of these roles or remove any of these permissions from him, we can feel free to give him. Okay, let's say we are going to give him a community manager. Or any role you want to give him, or community, let's say mod, anything at all we want to call him. This is what we're going to use for now, to just assign a role to him. Then you save it. When you save the role and you close, you save, then get over to the this thing. You see the role has been added to his name, mod. So thank you for watching, and I expect to see you in my next video. If this video was helpful, please do what to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know below in the comment section anything you want me to talk about. Thank you.